Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, they're awesome. All covered in goo. Wicked. You can just leave it running on record because I can edit it later. Let's, if we could put the camera on something, we could both do it.
No, you're alright.
Doing a camera.
Nah, it's alright. I'll count the eggshells. At least these ones aren't bitey.
Yeah, they're not, are they? They're really tame. How many nests have we got left?
Not many. Three more hatched out today.
Crook. Oh no, maybe not.
Gonna hatch him out. Good.
That's awesome.
He's right, Bish, you can leave it on him.
Oh, you got me.
Is there a bleed? Is there an injury?
Oh yeah, a little bit.
I think they're all hatched now.
Oh, there's that one. Do you
Oh
reckon
no,
that's
it's
dead?
a dud. Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Good.
You seen Craig?
In his office.
I think I just saw him walking off towards the hatchos, but I don't know where he was going. Yeah, I think that's it.
Beauty.